this is Diytaj Tyres. I've got a VW Polo here on a 2016-2017 plate. It's pretty much the new shape one. I've just done the service on this, just a normal service, not the inspection. We'll show you how to reset the light, but before I do that, I'm going to just show you how much oil it takes. Right, that's the capacity of the engine oil with the filter, 3.4 litres. Now the grades are all here. That's where you need 530, 540, 1040. But it has to be a fully synthetic and a VW spec, 502 and 504. Now to show you the service reset as well. Now the long is just a fixed service interval, which is this one here. That's what we're going to reset. So switch the ignition on, press and hold button A, which is this one here. Right there. So once you've done this, we'll show you how it's done on this. Right, now that I'm in the car, we'll show you. What I need to do is switch the ignition on, go on to car, go on to setup. Right there, and if I scroll down, you've got the service information, which is right there. Now here we've got the inspection is due in 12,000 miles, which is 36 days. Oil change service is due in 1,400 miles, which is 36 days. I've done the oil service only. So what I'm going to do now is, if I go back to show you how it's done, so switch the ignition off. What I need to do is press and hold this button at the same time. Switch the ignition on. It says all service. Let go of the button, press this key here. Reset's complete. Now if I go switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on, go onto car menu, setup, go into service. Says 9,400 miles now, which is 365 days. That's all you got to do on your car. And with regards to the inspection, that can only be reset using diagnostic tools, and we'll do that when it comes to it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.